Chemistry Tutor has brought the quick revisions, and in which the second revision is on your important conversions. I have picked up the few board questions which I felt that they are important, and some from your specimen paper. So just let me share the screen quickly, and then we move to these important conversions. You will be getting the questions on conversion for sure. Now, in this, your first one is benzoic acid to aniline. Now, you have to see that I have written all the conditions on the arrow which are required. These are mandatory. Plus, your IUPAC names are important. So, when benzoic acid reacts with this thionyl chloride, we already know that thionyl chloride reacts with those compounds which contain OH group. So, your OH group is replaced by Cl and you get benzoyl chloride, which when reacts with ammonia, your ammonia has a strong affinity for halogen, so you get benzaamide C6H5CONH2. Now, this is when treated with bromine in presence of KOH, the mixture is heated, you get aniline. So, this is the first conversion. The second one is ethane nitrile to ethanamine to ethanol. Now, this I have written, it can be asked in three phases. It can be ethane nitrile to ethanamine, it can be ethane nitrile to ethanol, and it can also be ethane nitrile to ethanol. So now when CH3CN, your ethane nitrile is heated with your hydrogen and nickel, that means the reduction is occurring. Reduction means addition of hydrogen in organic compounds. So you get CH3, CH2, NH2, ethylamine, and this ethylamine when reacts with nitrous acid, you get an alcohol ethanol or ethanol. What will be the correct IUPAC name? It will be ethanol because it is an alcohol. And this alcohol, if undergoes oxidation, will form ethanol CH3 CHO. The third conversion is nitrobenzene to benzoic acid. So now your nitrobenzene undergoes again reduction. You can see nascent hydrogen. It will give your aniline. So nitrobenzene can be converted into aniline. This can be another conversion which can be asked. And this aniline, when it is treated with your sodium nitrite and HCl, and the temperature is 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, you get benzene diazonium chloride, which when reacts with CuCN in presence of KCN and the mixture is heated, you get your cyanide product. And we know that any cyanide product, when it will undergo acidic hydrolysis, it will be replaced by COH group. So simply your CN gets replaced by COH and you get benzoic acid. The next one is ethylamine to methylamine. Now this is the descent series from higher carbon atom to lower carbon atom. Now your ethine amine, when it reacts with nitrous acid, it will give an alcohol. This alcohol, acidified K2Cr2O7, it is an oxidizing agent which we use in the organic reactions. It will give you an acid, acetic acid. Acetic acid again reacts with thionyl chloride. You will get a chloride, acid chloride, which is your ethanol chloride, CH3COCl, or you can also call as acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride, when it reacts with your ammonia, it gives you acetamide CH3CONH2, which when again reacts with bromine in presence of KOH, the mixture is heated, you get methylamine. So you see the descent series, the number of carbon atoms in the alkyl group get reduced from 2 to 1. The next one is acetic acid to methylamine. Acetic acid again with thionyl chloride gives CH3COCl, which when treated with excess ammonia will give you acetamide. And acetamide, when it reacts with bromine and with KOH, the content is heated, you get methylamine. Then acetaldehyde to formaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde will undergo oxidation, it will give acetic acid. Acetic acid, when it reacts with NaOH, it will undergo a neutralization reaction and you will get CH3CONA. Now this is your sodium acetate. Now this reaction is the lab preparation of alkane, that is methane. So soda lime, heating process will occur, you get methane. Methane undergoes halogenation, it forms CH3Cl. which when reacts with aqueous KOH will give you methanol, and methanol, when it is passed over hot copper at 300 degrees centigrade, will give you formaldehyde. This is something which we have done in your class 10th also. It's a repetition of class 10th and 11th. It can be a recalling question. Then acetone to iodoform, this reaction you must be familiar because it is your practical test also, iodoform test. That acetone when treated with iodine and alkaline solution NaOH, it will give you a yellow crystalline PPT, CHI3, which is your iodoform. Sodium acetate, 3NaI and 3H2O. Balancing is very important. Then phenol to anisole, your aromatic ether is also in your syllabus. So phenol when treated with NaOH, your water molecule will be eliminated and you get sodium phenooxide. This sodium phenooxide, when it is treated with CH3Br, now sodium is an electropositive element, bromine is an electronegative element. So a strong affinity exists. So your NaBr will be eliminated and your CH3 will be replaced here on the ring. So you get anisole, that is your methyl phenyl ether. Then propanol 2-ol to propanol 1-ol. So you can see this is the structural formula of propan 2-ol. At second position, the OH group is placed. Now this when reacts with Conc H2SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade. Conc H2SO4 is written on the arrow, so it is a dehydrating agent. तो dehydration होगा तो क्या होगा? Water molecule will be lost. Loss of water will occur. So you will get propene. Propene when treated with HBr and peroxide will give you your propyl bromide. And this propyl bromide when treated with aqueous KOH, again potassium electropositive, bromine electronegative, KBr will be eliminated and you will get propanol 1. So these are the important conversions for your tomorrow's exam. Just a gist, again I have picked up, I have never said that only these will come. You can prepare any, but these were something very important, so I have shared with you. So all the best for your board exams.